Running a business shouldn't feel like running in circles. Introducing Boss Business Suite, your AI-powered digital tool suite for entrepreneurs. From branding to content to contracts to podcasts, everything you need to look polished, build credibility, and scale like a pro, all in one place in the palm of your hand. Inside your suite, you'll find business basics like websites, landing pages, business phone numbers, and domains. A full marketing workspace with flyer design, workbook content creation, pitch decks, and lead generation freebies. AI video content at your fingertips, including your AI twin, movies, voiceovers, and more. The Speaker and Author's Corner with presentation writing, speaker kit creation, even book chapter writing. A social media suite complete with content planner and posting calendar. Administrative support tools like project management, invoice generators, and more. And yes, even access to AI-powered photo shoots. That's over 40 apps in one place. Enter the Boss Business Suite and create your seat at the table. Visit signup.bossbizsuite.com.